Welcome to part 2 of Where We Are Going, ABS's Strategic Future. Bottom line remains this: we have a plan and you have a part. It doesn't matter where you were assigned in ABS, whether you're in CONUS or Europe or Korea, Honduras or Kwajalein. Doesn't matter whether you're a broadcaster or an engineer, administrator, or a logistician. Your part is important, and I need you to understand it. Because without your participation, without your buy-in into the strategic plan, we're dead in the water. People outside of ABS also have an important part in this plan. We have stakeholders, our customers and clients, and other folks who have an interest in our outcome, and we've partnered with them as well on this strategic plan and its development. Our mission remains the same. First is to provide effective, targeted information that satisfies the needs of our customers. Secondly, is to deliver high-quality entertainment services to the largest authorized audience possible. We don't want to leave anybody behind. Thirdly, is to support CONUS broadcasting operations. Well, what is a strategic plan? That's our mission, but why do we need a plan beyond that mission? Well, first of all, we need to realize that a strategic plan is a plan that involves improvement, getting better. And to put that plan together, we need a consensus from all ranks in our organization. We achieve that by getting a cross-section of people together, from station level all the way through ABS headquarters, and also getting some people together that are outside ABS so that we had a complete picture of where it was that we needed to go and how best to get there. A strategic plan also is a living, breathing document, something that we revisit from time to time in order to improve or take advantage of changes in our profession. What are the elements of a strategic plan? Well, first there's a vision statement. That statement that describes the word picture of where you are going, what the destination looks like, what you would like the organization to be at some point in the future. Next are the major goals, those major things that you know you have to accomplish in order to achieve that vision statement. Supporting those goals are long-term objectives, supporting the long-term objectives, short-term objectives. And making the short-term objectives happen, the action plan. Finally, you've got to assign a responsibility to an individual within the organization to carry out the action. And as you do this, as you make forward progress, you need to measure that progress. So we've got a program in place to do that. Well, why have a vision? Why have a strategic plan? Well, first of all, you need a vision. You need a picture of where you want the organization to go in order to make the organization the best it can possibly be, in order to best serve your customers. Once you know where you want the organization to go, you need those major goals to get you there. That really defines your roadmap on the journey to your destination. Further, a strategic plan also addresses outside influences, allows you to control those outside influences to some degree. What am I talking about? I'm talking about changes in the broadcasting profession as we move from, say, analog to digital production platforms. I'm talking about competition that you face, and that changes all the time. I'm talking about opportunities that are out there, and the opportunities are replete in the information revolution. We need to take advantage of those opportunities, capitalize them. We also need a strategic plan because it's the law. In 1993, the U.S. Congress passed the Government Performance and Results Act, which requires all government organizations to have strategic plans, to have stated missions and goals and strategies to achieve those goals. Well, given that that's why we have a strategic plan, what is our current ABS strategic plan? What is our vision statement? What did we write down with that cross-section of people we got together to determine where it was we were trying to take the organization? Well, here it is. We want to become the indispensable media of choice to enhance morale and readiness. We want our customers, our clients, our commanders and PAOs to feel that we are indispensable when it comes to morale and readiness. What are the goals then to achieve that vision statement, to take us down that journey to the promised land? First and foremost, we want to create an environment that fosters a highly productive team. We want all of our employees to feel valued and exist in a learning culture. In short, we want to give you the tools and the skills and the workplaces that will allow you to be the best that you could be to help us achieve the strategic goals. Secondly, we want to provide effective, targeted information. In short, we want to hear the customer's voice. We want our messages to be effective and we want them to reach the right audience. Thirdly, we want to provide reliable, tailored multiple broadcasting services. Simply put, we want to reach the audience. It doesn't matter how good our products are if we can't get them to the customers who need to hear them or view them. Fourthly, we want to provide responsive support to contingency operations. We want to have prepared readiness response. We want to be ready to go before the call comes. That means we got to have the right equipment selected and purchased, pre-positioned downrange in the right theaters, and the right people trained on that equipment. Now, that's a broad brush of the strategic plan. Now, I've just given you the vision and the major goals. It's important for you to understand that there's a lot more to the plan. And it's also important for you to understand that you have a part that has to be played well for us to succeed in this plan. Click on the Strategic Plan button and learn more about your part in the plan for the future. I can't do this alone. I need your help and I need you to understand where you fit and what part you play. Thank you.